Hey everyone, today I would like to talk about the benefits of the keto lifestyle. Benefit numero uno is you got it, fat loss. All right, since our last video, you learned that our body was designed to efficiently burn fats and produce ketones. Don't you think it would be beneficial for losing that stubborn fat then? Hallelujah, you got it. That is why benefit numero dos is the mental clarity, all right? Another huge benefit of the keto diet is the brain factor. You see, much of our brain and nervous system is actually comprised of fat. Remember those ketones our body makes from the fat we eat? Yeah, so our brain has receptors specifically for those ketones. Turns out many people experience increased cognitive function, mental clarity, and focus, which studies have shown it to be beneficial for helping treat and possibly prevent many brain and nervous system disorders, like Alzheimer's, epilepsy, just to name a few. Next on the list is insulin resistance, as many of us can experience to varying degrees over time if not handled properly. All right, it can lead to prediabetes and diabetes itself. The keto lifestyle has shown to help people become more insulin sensitive again, which can have numerous benefits: help improve blood sugar, blood pressure, decrease sugar cravings, and much, much more. All right. One of my favorite benefits is the multifaceted word called inflammation. Many of us have experienced some kind of irritable bowel syndrome, which is commonly related to gluten and other carbohydrate sources, and intolerances and allergies. And all this in turn can really increase overall body inflammation, which has been linked to literally almost everything. Joint pain, back pain, headaches, acne, cognitive decline, weight gain, and so many other things. Inflammation alone, all right? So this was enough to pique my interest to give keto a go. And the keto lifestyle has been used to help cancer patients and shown a lot of promise. It's being studied to help a host of other diseases. And many people have also seen wonderful improvements when they get their blood lipids tested, such as cholesterol. And lastly, it is a pretty stellar benefit that some feel within just a few days. Others may take a week or two, but it is the increased energy. Just stop and think for a minute how all the aforementioned benefits of the keto lifestyle can improve your overall energy level. Losing weight, decreasing inflammation, improving your blood lipid profiles, optimize mental energy and capacity. Who knows, you may just end up feeling like a superhero.